Right now we have nearly 5,000 competencies, many of which are in occupations in healthcare, advanced manufacturing, and information technology. Right now we'll look at the machinists in production. We'll learn more. Everything on this page all the content on this page was obtained from ONET and Career One Stop. We can look at more information about the occupation. We can look at the competencies about the occupation, including soft skills, again, from ONET. We can look at common job titles from ONET. We can also do a job search based on job title. And just as an example, if we were to click on one of the buttons, view listing, it would take us off-site to see that job listing. We can also look at software tools and technology associated with machinists. We also have an indicator of what's a hot item, as referred to by ONET. We also can look at related educational goals in the system that we have. We also can watch a video that's been prepared by Career One Stop as well. If we like what we see, we can sign up. And when we do that, we automatically load all the competencies for the machinists. We have a lot of occupations to choose from, as well as frameworks, and credentials, apprenticeships. We did already sign up for a machinist, and we're going to show you that right now. So on the dashboard, you see total active competencies, how many that are past due, for example, achieved, total remaining competencies to be worked on. We can look at the learning plan. We can work on all goals. We can add as many of those educational goals to this plan as we'd like. Right now we'll look at machinists. Gives us a graphical display of our progress. Each competency we can set a due date, mark each achieved once we believe we've learned it. It's self-reported. There's no assessments in the system. We can also make notes on a particular competency. These are notes that only we can see. This indicates the red background that this is a past due, for example, the due date. And if we click on schedule, this is all of the competencies that we have not achieved that have due dates. It's kind of our hot list. We can manage our plan by adding or deleting educational goals. We do that by, we can show all educational goals, that's any in the system, or we can look at related educational goals that are related to what we already have in the system, machinists, for example. We can also add a custom goal, which would allow us to add any number of competencies that are possibly unrelated to each other, just things that we might want to learn on our own. Activity, it tracks as we're logged in, searches that we make, including filters, and if we choose to, we can also save our searches as well. Our Learning Resources tab, any learning resources that we visit, it tracks that as well for us. We can easily return to that. Any competencies that we marked it achieved, it has that listed here for us as well. We can print that. At this point, it's our e-portfolio, and we will be expanding on that. We also have a journal where we can include comments about our learning experience, and these are private comments within our plan. And we have our favorites library, where we can favorite resources that are important to us and make comments on each of the resources, again, that are private to us. Nobody else can see.